Yo, we want to show much love and respect to all the electricians and electrical workers in the world, y'all. I worked on a crew in the summer one time. It was awesome growing up, but these people keep the lights on. So if you want to thank someone for your phone working, thank an electrician. We are making a sandwich today to respect all the hard work they put into this. This is the circuit breaker, y'all, and it's gonna break your circuits. But you're working hard all day, climbing up ladders, pulling cable, this is something that's gonna fire you back up. Now, a good sandwich, like any skilled laborer, worker, it takes layers of skill and complexity, and that's what we're here to do, because they're solving complex problems, and we're solving one today with the sandwich, y'all. What we've got are 3 pieces of bread, because this is basically a killer club sandwich. We've got 2, one that has caramelized shallots, smoked gouda, then sauteed mushrooms, smoked gouda, and a piece of regular bread. This is the really reinforcement. When you're working hard in the field, you need things to reinforce yourselves, whether they're steel-toed boots, electrical grounding, whatever it may be. We're gonna build this sandwich right though, because it's got a lot going on, just like the unions, y'all. We're gonna take the basis of this thing, the shallots and the gouda, we're gonna put that on the bottom. On top of that, we've got a layer of one of our big proteins, and this is pork belly. So we're gonna put pork belly all the way across, make sure we get some big old chunks in there. The next layer, we got some coleslaw, y'all. This is a family recipe, and like a lot of people working in construction jobs, it goes down through the career. Their mom or their dad worked in the union, now they do too. So we're passing this recipe along down here. The next thing we're gonna put on here is our supporting center piece. This keeps that sturdy going. So we're gonna layer that onto our sandwich and then keep building. The next layer we've got are some kettle cooked barbecue potato chips. More crunch, right? Like any complex job and task, there's different things you gotta look at. When you're making the sandwich, it's not just the flavor and how they combine, it's the different textures and mouthfeel. So we got crunchy, smooth, soft, crunchy. Now, we wanna add in some acidity to this thing. We've got some freshly cut heirloom tomatoes. We chose these because a lot of people, like when I started working in the field, I used a knife that was passed down through my family. A lot of electrical workers will have tools passed down through their family. So the heirloom tomatoes bring it. Now to top this baby off, just like we're topping off a great job, we got a little bit of some raw red onions, a couple of rings of those, because red onions always make things a little bit better. Now our other mushroom and gouda slice, we also made to complement everything else, an apple bacon mayo, y'all. It's got a little bit of a chunk to it, which we want because we want to make sure it doesn't just ooze all out the sides, but this thing's so big, something's coming out. Just like the hard work we're trying to do for everybody. Topping this sandwich off. Now, we've also got a piece of electrical wire for our garnish. This can keep everything together. That is the circuit breaker. Just like the IBEW-NECA, cats, admire your work when it's done, and this looks beautiful. Let's make sure we honored everybody the right way. Myself a chance at this big beauty. Yes, that is how you layer a sandwich, y'all. The circuit breaker, breaking hearts, baby. Yo, Matt from Spatchcock Funk here. Appreciate you checking us out, y'all. Welcome to Spatchcock Nation. We about bringing people together, y'all. Concerts, parties. It doesn't matter as long as you're the people with us. Our friends, our crew, and now you. Spatchcock Funk. Dope food, strong drinks, great stories.